Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes kids, shapes of drawing and color fill. First color name kids, green color, yellow color, light pink color, brown color, pink color, orange color, red color, this color kids, sky blue color and purple color. Shapes drawing kids, black color, circle, square, pentagon, L shape, cross symbol, triangle. Kids, color fill. First color, brown color, circle, sky blue color, square, purple color kids, pentagon, orange color kids, L shape, green color kids, cross symbol, light pink color, triangle. Kids, shapes name repeat, circle, square, pentagon, L shape, cross symbol, triangle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you kids.